Finjan Cafe.
Okay, so now we're gonna make the Turkish coffee.
Yeah, I'm put a hot water with the Turkish coffee.
But once you put that boiling water, it's gotta kind of do its thing. This is like a cleaned up version of what you see in Istanbul and other parts of that region.
This is very strong coffee. Only black.
Only black.
Only black. You can take it milk or anything.
So on the streets of Turkey and some other places too, I mean, several other countries, you'll have this, but it'll be in a big old sandbox. It's not.
See right now.
That's almost ready. But the secret is you gotta have that froth coming up, that crown. That's like, dang. You can't let it burn. You can't let it get bitter. Yes, it's not like a one-time deal, but you see, it has to come back, get a little bubble going on.
Nice. Thank you very much.